Why upgraded to AirPod Pros?
My old faithful headphones that I've had for like 2 years finally died on me, so it was time to upgrade, and I decided to invest in the AirPod Pros. I first of all love the case that they came in. It's very sleek, it's very small, so it's not something that's too bulky, especially because I travel a lot. I also like the smallness of the actual headphones themselves compared to the original AirPods that were a little bit bulky in my opinion. It's a very sleek, minimalistic, and luxurious design, and you can find the little port for charging on the bottom of the charging box. Now, what's cool is you can use a USB-C charger for this, but I also have a mag strip. So if you have something like this, you can charge your AirPods by simply dropping it on your magnet. But you also will get a USB to USB-C cord in the package once you buy it, and you can plug that in anywhere that is necessary. These are my new favorite headphones to travel with, to go on walks with my dog, or just listen to music around my house.